Hey, what's going on? Joe here. I've got myself my first ever box for Pro Wrestling Loot. It's a monthly subscription club. This is the June 2018 edition of it. Myself, I've been a pro wrestling fan. Seems like forever since I was a little kid, I guess, and just never outgrew it. So I'm about to unbox this Pro Wrestling Loot for you and hope you enjoy it. Hope there's some other pro wrestling fans out there who enjoy seeing what's in this box as much as I do. So with that, let's go ahead and open up this box and see what's in it. As far as this club goes, I'll go ahead in the description give you the pricing details of it. It's a monthly club, like I said, and I'll also include a code in it in the description that you can use to save yourself some money on this club if you're interested. It'll also save me some money as well. So let's open this up. First thing, we've got ourselves a t-shirt. We'll open this up later and see what that's about. First thing we've got here, looks like we've got ourselves a little pin. Don't know if you can see that or not there, but it's a pin of wrestling superstar Ric Flair. And next, we've got ourselves some AJ Styles gray wristbands. AJ Styles is a big time wrestler in the WWE right now, and these are the style that he wears. Okay, next up, this is the card that it comes with every month, showing you what you get in the box. So let's put that aside and see what else is in the box here. Looks like we've got ourselves a trading card here of Andre the Giant. Check it out there. Next, we have a certificate of authenticity of the next item that I'll be showing. Actually, two certificates of authenticities are here. Yep, two certificates of authenticity of the items that I'm about to show. Oh my goodness, okay, cool. We've got ourselves some pictures here. Okay, this is a female wrestler that goes by the name of Thunder Rosa. Probably on the indie circuit, I would assume. I don't recognize her from the WWE. And we've got another picture of her with her signature, 8x10 photo. Nice photo of her with her signature on there. Very nice. And looks like we have got ourselves another autograph by another wrestler who goes by the name of Cage, who wrestles for Lucha Underground. Lucha Underground. Very nice pictures there. Awesome autographs. I wasn't expecting to get two autographs. That's pretty cool. So let's put those back in the folder there to keep those safe. Back in the box. And now let's take a look at this t-shirt that came in the box. Okay, we've got ourselves a black t-shirt. It says, selling out 10,000 seats one day at a time. Chicago, Illinois, established 2018. That looks almost like the hand signals there. Almost looks like the old NWO Wolfpack signature there. But a nice looking t-shirt there. I do like that. Let's see what the description says about it on the card. Selling out 10,000 seats one day at a time t-shirt. Yeah. Doesn't say much more than that for it. Anyways, my first ever pro wrestling loot box. Not too bad. Got some pretty cool stuff in it, especially with the autographs, and pretty cool looking t-shirt there as well. And so we'll just put that aside for now. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing of my first ever Pro Wrestling Loot June 2018 edition. Not too bad. I do definitely like the items that came with it, I think. So with that said, I'm going to let you go, and I'll talk at you next time. Y'all have a good one.